We allow ourselves to close our outer eyes and open up to the inner sanctuary. Just stepping apart for a while or coming home for a moment. Connecting with the breath. Connecting with the heart. We give ourselves the time and the space we deserve for the practice. The time that often gets crowded out or pushed away by daily living and life week to week. But when we come here, when we come home, we sink in and soak it up. And we bless this practice and we allow it to go before us in the week ahead. We allow it to harmonize thoughts, emotions, experience from the week before. So right here, right now, I lay it down. Lay down any burdens, any overthinking. Lay down worry and concern. Not because there is no human worldly thing to be concerned about. Not because it's not valid. But because worry never added to anything. It simply interferes with and confuses the channels that we intend to tune into on the spiritual journey and the spiritual path. So we clear it away, acknowledging it fully. Acknowledging duality, acknowledging suffering, acknowledging concern. And setting it aside. So that we can open up to the intelligence, the inspiration, the love, the connections, the invitations, so that we can experience a sense of belonging, a sense of connectedness, a sense of inspiration, a sense of hope. And as we can feel those things, we can become those things to others, to ourselves, and to our world. So we let not things of the world determine our spiritual practice, but we bring our spiritual practice to the world. So I forgive myself in this moment for any moments where I let the world lead me. Because I am not here to be led by the world. I am here to be inspired by the source. therefore becoming a co-creator, a source of all things love, light. To be love, as Charles Fillmore called it, the harmonizing faculty. So as we inhale and we exhale, we allow the sacred silence to do its thing, exerting no effort, but to bring our attention to the here and now and follow the breath as it weaves in and out of this body temple. And it weaves in and through this universe. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know we're born blessed and here to be a blessing. In gratitude for the lives we've been given and the time and the form we give this life. Namaste.